The process of collaborating via the web usually starts by going to the web itself. In this case, I have an email, and in that email is a URL that links me to my Adobe Acrobat Connect Professional room. So to be invited into the room, I'll just click the link. Adobe Acrobat Connect will come forward as a browser window here. And if I were a guest, I could simply enter as a guest with a name. In this case, I have a login and a password. So I'll enter my login information, type in my password, click to enter the room, and this will actually launch the Acrobat Connect software. This is all Flash-based, so you don't need anything more than a browser that has Flash installed for this to work. And here we go. Once you're in the room, there are a variety of windows, or pods they're called, that provide different kinds of information. Now, collaborating via the web will have you use different windows in different ways. And during this introduction, we'll talk about those different ways to collaborate. Let's take a look at those different ways of collaborating before we actually see how the different pods are set up to make use of those in this introduction. The first and most basic way that you'll collaborate via the web is to provide presentations, to show standard slides. You can mark up a document, interact with the audience, and even conduct polls to find out information about your audience. But one of the advantages of Adobe Acrobat Connect Professional is the ability it gives you to go a step further than simple presentations. In this case, I'll talk about meetings, where you can video conference, you can chat and provide question and answer sessions, see an attendee list, and share the desktop so that you can show people a software solution or teach people how to use something that they don't know how to use on their computer. A further step in that world is to truly collaborate. When collaborating, you're working together with a team of people to achieve a goal. And Adobe Acrobat Connect gives you whiteboarding functionality, whiteboarding with sharing the desktop so that you can actually mark up someone's desktop to show them something that they might be doing wrong or something that you'd like them to do better. You can even go into the level of controlling another desktop so that you can teach someone through Adobe Acrobat Connect how to perform a particular task. And then last but not least, with collaborating, you can share documents. So if you have a set of documents that you'd like someone to work from, you can provide those documents to them. One of the more unsung heroes of Adobe Acrobat Connect is the concept of e-learning. E-learning is a process where you can teach people through the web how to do something, whether it's computer-related or not. Adobe Acrobat Connect allows you to use polls, add Flash movies, and build quizzes into the experience so that someone can not only learn, but you can test them to make sure that they have in fact learned what you hope they would. Plus, with the administrative tools of Adobe Acrobat Connect, you can find out a lot of information about the students during the learning process and use that with various learning management systems. And then finally, data collection. Because Adobe Acrobat Connect rooms are persistent, you can use it for collecting information by posting a room, inviting people in at their leisure, polling them, allowing them to chat, and even offering them Q&A so that they can type information or type questions in that you can respond to at a later date. These are the many ways that you can collaborate. What I want to do now is show you an example of how each of those collaborative moments, if you will work with Adobe Acrobat Connect, and how you can set up a room to allow that functionality and make it a good experience for your end user.